In this video, we'll explore how real-world asset tokenization connects traditional assets with blockchain technology, what kinds of assets are being tokenized, how large this market could become, and why global regulation and standards matter for mainstream adoption. Real-world asset tokenization turns ownership rights in things like property or financial instruments into digital tokens on a blockchain. Smart contracts automate issuance, transfers, and compliance checks, enabling 24/7 global markets. This increases transparency, reduces manual paperwork, and lets investors trade and settle ownership more efficiently while still tying tokens to real underlying assets. Tokenization is spreading across many asset classes. Real estate can be split into smaller investment shares. Private equity and funds become accessible with much lower minimums. Art and collectibles turn unique items into bankable assets. Debt instruments and bonds gain better liquidity, while carbon credits become easier to track and trade in transparent environmental markets. Converting ownership rights into blockchain tokens opens a market projected in the tens of trillions of dollars. Institutional adoption is accelerating as banks and major financial firms build tokenization platforms. By digitizing historically illiquid assets, markets can unlock global liquidity, enabling faster settlement, better price discovery, and broader participation from investors worldwide. Adoption is advancing fastest in regions like Asia and Europe, where policymakers and institutions are actively shaping tokenization frameworks. Regulators are mapping existing securities and property laws onto digital assets. A key challenge is harmonization, aligning rules and interoperability standards across borders, so tokenized assets can move seamlessly between platforms and jurisdictions. Real-world asset tokenization aims to make ownership more divisible, transparent, and globally accessible. As technology, regulation, and institutional participation mature, tokenized assets could reshape how capital is raised, traded, and governed, turning traditional markets into always-on, programmable financial ecosystems connected through secure digital infrastructure.